In the last tutorial, we touched on controllers just a little bit. Let's explore controllers in more detail. Just as a refresher, if we open up our web.py, we see that we have a welcome controller and we're firing off the show method. Let's go ahead and explore how we'll create a dashboard controller. Let's go ahead and make a route for it. So it's a get route, and that'll be a dashboard. We'll make a dashboard controller and we'll make a show method. Great. So let's touch on how Masonite can really excel at your development environment. If we open up our terminal, you'll see that we have a bunch of craft commands. You can go ahead and do help on each one of these, but let's go ahead and look at the craft controller command, and that creates a controller for us. So let's go ahead and craft a controller, and we'll call it dashboard controller. And the dashboard controller was created successfully. Now again, all controllers are in app, HTTP, controllers. If we refresh, we'll have a dashboard controller. You'll see here that we don't exactly have a show method yet. So let's go ahead and make that. Awesome. So notice that all controller methods only receive a self. We'll talk more in detail about how you can start passing parameters in here. So if you notice above, we actually imported a view by default, and we could just return a view, and we'll call this dashboard, and that's it. So we fired off this dashboard controller at show whenever we visit the dashboard URI. That will fire off the dashboard controller at show method, and we want to return a view, and the view name is dashboard. Now it's important to know where these templates actually are. So if we look on the left side and we see resources, templates, and we see our welcome template. This welcome template is the same template in our welcome controller. So we see we're returning a view, the welcome view. So all we have to do is we can either manually create this, so new file and dashboard.html, or if you like, we can use a craft command, craft a view, and we'll call the view dashboard. And you see we now have a dashboard template. So in here, let's just say dashboard for now. If we go ahead and craft serve, let's open up our app and let's head over to dashboard, and you see we have dashboard. Also know that all templates are rendered with Jinja. So if we say new dashboard, just to change the text a little bit and refresh, we now see it says new dashboard. If we open back up our welcome controller, you'll see that we're actually passing in a dictionary of values. You'll see that this is very similar to Django. So if we open up our dashboard controller, we could pass in a dictionary of hello, and we'll call that world. And we go back to our dashboard, we could say hello, rerun the server, refresh, and we now see it says world. Very simple, elegant, and straightforward. That concludes dashboards, views, and templates. I'll see you next tutorial.